Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today on How We Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice banana porridge. So I have 3 cups of water in my pot. Now going to add my cinnamon stick. Then I will add a pinch of salt. Next I will cover the pot and allow this to boil. For this recipe, I use 3 fingers of green bananas. I have already washed and sliced them in half to 1 inch. So the amount of banana that you use depends on the size of the banana and also how thick you like your porridge. So if you like your porridge really thick, then you know that you can always add more bananas. So now that the banana is nicely blended, so I will use 1 tablespoon of flour along with some water just to make a paste. This will give the porridge a level of thickness. So guys, now that the water is boiling, going to add my blended mixture. So going in with my blended banana. So going to give it a quick stir and then I will add my flour and water paste. So guys, as you can see, there are some small pieces of banana. So my blender did not do a very good job, but that is totally fine. So I will allow them to cook. So I won't remove them because banana is very easy to cook. So now I will cover the pot and allow this to cook for 10 minutes on medium to low heat. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes, this is how my porridge is looking. So right now, going to add my spices. So going in with 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, using 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Right now, going to cover this for 5 minutes. Then I will add my sweetener. So right now, using my condensed milk to sweeten my porridge. So guys, as you can see, the porridge is all creamy and looking really delicious. So for me, I don't like my porridge to be really thick, so this consistency is perfect for me. So at this point, I remove my cinnamon stick, then I will cover the pot and allow this to cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Once this is done, our porridge is all ready. So guys, there you have it. Our banana porridge is all done. It is creamy and delicious. It is all ready. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, bye guys.